In this 5-minute profit pages review, I'm going to be showing you a very simple but powerful software that's going to allow you to promote affiliate offers anywhere you want without having to worry about your links getting deleted, and you're going to be approved for the affiliate offers as well, so you can start promoting today. And make sure that you stay until the end of this video, as I'm going to be giving you a detailed demo and showing you all of the upgrades and OTOs so you can know exactly what you're getting into and be able to make an informed decision on what's right for you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these reviews every single day so that you can make better decisions about your business when it comes to upcoming softwares and courses, so you can get the best prices, discounts, bonuses. If you're interested in learning more about that, make sure that you like this video and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you can hear more about this. And of course, if at any time during this video you want to check out the product we're talking about, go ahead and click the link below and it will take you over to the page. But before we take a look at the product, I just wanted to show you my really special bonuses that you're going to get if you purchase this through my link. All of my bonuses will be right inside of Warrior Plus. You can access them where you access your purchase, but of course they're only going to be in there if you get it through my link. The first bonus you're going to get is 0-hour workdays course. This is a course from Brandon. It's a special one I got from him where he shows how he makes $9,000 per month with a system that he runs on autopilot. The second one here, this is from a guy named Ike. He makes over $1,000 per month doing printables. Now these printables, they're like just things that people, like pieces of paper that people find online, and they print them out, and he actually makes money from this. It's pretty amazing. And you're going to get access to this course as well. Also, you're going to get how to get 100% free traffic whenever you want. This is another course, Free Traffic Frenzy. You're also going to get a $10,000 per month case study. Again, real life stuff, people really making money. You're also going to get a $2,000 in 20 minutes on Facebook course, and I'll give you access to 40 cheap traffic sources, and I'm even going to give you access to my award-winning affiliate income secrets course with reseller rights, so you can resell it and keep 100% of the profits. Now, before we even look at the sales page, I want to show you something. If you've ever tried to do affiliate marketing and you've gotten an affiliate link, this is what happens if you try to post an affiliate link on Facebook. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to just paste this affiliate link in here. And this happens with a lot of different networks where this happens here. If I try to post this, you're going to see a little red thing came up there. I'm not sure if you noticed it. I'm going to do it again. You'll see it come right around here. It just kind of flashes on there and then goes right there. It doesn't like this link. It won't let me post it. If you try to post affiliate links on Facebook, you're going to have a really hard time of doing anything because it's not going to allow you to do it. If I try to send it to people, it's not going to allow me to do it if I try to message people with it. So you need to find a workaround for sending your links out there, and this product is going to help you with that. Okay, so let's look at the sales page here. It says the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 commissions from free traffic. It's a little bit hypey here, but there is some substance behind the hype here. We're gonna get into that. So it's automated commissions, multiple streams of income, blah, blah, blah. You've heard it all before. But again, I'm gonna show you. It says paste in your affiliate ID, plug in the free traffic, and there's no step 3. This is from Brandon Mace. I know that some of you some of you like him, some of you don't. He's very, very successful. He's made a lot of money here. He's done very well with product creation and affiliate marketing. But I like this right here. This is really good. Affiliate marketing itself is very close to a done-for-you model. The product research is done for you because you don't have to come up with a product, that you don't have to create a product, you don't have to do customer support, like sales and marketing materials are done for you, payment processing, all done for you. You don't even need to have any kind of a payment processor. That's all done for you. I think that's pretty amazing. And you don't need an email list or anything. I mean, they've made tons of money with this business model. I've made tons of money with this business model. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the best way of making money online that exists. That and product creation, but I can tell you it's a heck of a lot easier than creating your product. So that's the sales page here. Let's take a look at the actual product. This is what you're going to see once you log into the members area. So what is, you want to start here, watch the quick little video. It's really easy, but this is what you do. You go down to products, and they have a list of products for you that you can apply for your affiliate link and be able to promote. So let's, if we look at one of these, I'm going to click over to this one. What happens, you'll go over to it, and if you're not approved, you will apply for it. I'm already approved for this. See if I can find one that I'm not approved for. Just going to show you what it looks like. give you an idea. Okay, I'm approved for that one too. I'm just so approved. Let's see here if I can find another. Beast funnels. I don't think I'm approved for Beast funnels. There you go. Okay, you must be approved by Brendan Mace to promote this offer. So this is his offer. I go in and I request approval, and in the notes here, this is where you put your that you're a customer of this, and that's what makes it special. Because normally, if you've ever tried to do affiliate marketing before, you try to apply for these offers, and no one will give you the time of day. Everyone rejects you. So you write in here like, I'm a customer of 5-minute profit pages, and you click on request offer. What's going to happen is he's going to see that, and then he's going to approve you. And once you're approved, you're going to get this link right here. So I'm going to copy that link right there. So he'll approve that for you. So that's Beast Funnels. So let's do Beast Funnels, and you can open up the sales page for Beast Funnels. Let's take a look at it. Here's the sales page, and we're going to need that as well. So we go back to the software here, and we want to create a new campaign. And you click one of these little templates. You can click whatever one you want. Let's do this one. I like the black one. Mike from Maine. Headline. You can put something to activate your special discount. You paste that affiliate link right in here. Button text here. Click to activate. That's what they say to put in. That's fine. Now you do need the box URL. So that's why we opened up the sales page for this. Let me see if I can grab the sales page. And we need the box shot. Here we go. Here we go. Beast funnel. So I'm just going to click on use image address, copy image address, go back into the software, paste that right in there, and then click on save and publish. So we're going to save that and publish. And let's see here if we can find Mike from Maine. Mike. Here we go. Mike from Maine. Now I can view this. So this is the link that I have here, and this is the link that you get here, and this is the link that you'll be sharing out there. It says here, activate your special discount, and the person comes to this page, they click on this special the little link there, and that means that if someone goes there and clicks on that link, you're going to get the affiliate commission for it. You get the money for it, and you're able to send them to that special page. You're able to share it around the internet and do whatever you want with it. So it's what we call a bridge page in marketing, if you're not familiar with that. It's a page in between, it's like an insulation between the affiliate link goes to the bridge page, and then you send people from the bridge page over to the actual offer itself. And it's what most people doing any kind of ads or social posting on like Facebook and stuff, you need to have that there. So let me the traffic method. This is, they say like it includes traffic in it. So this is what they mean when it says it includes traffic. So if I click on instant traffic, what it does with this is you can select your campaign, and then it automatically pre-populates it so that you can share it out to all these different places. So you can click here, and it will open it up and share on. I'm not going to open that up right there, but you can like share it on Facebook and share like Evernote. You can share Dig. You can do all of that, all these different ones. So what you would do now is go in there and just click one by one and share them on these different social networks. So that's how the traffic method works with that. And if you were to try to do this with just the affiliate link, you're going to run into problems. You're going to get your links taken down. You're going to get your accounts taken down. You do need to have a bridge page, and that's what this offer does. It creates a simple bridge page for you. Now, on the front end, there is a limit on how many of these pages you can create. You can create up to 20 pages with this, 20. And you can go in there, you can delete them, you can once you hit 20, let's say you've got a bunch of affiliate campaigns that you've done. Once you go past that 20, you either delete one or you need to get the first upgrade. And let me take you over to that upgrade. Okay, so this is the first upgrade that you're going to see. With the first upgrade, you're going to get unlimited pages. They've got a bunch of extra features that they add in here with the Pro version unlimited campaigns. They've got some extra features like unlocking, so it's like unlocking the doorway to a new world. I don't know, the extra features included in here. But premium support, it's pretty much, it looks like what you're getting here is the unlimited. So if you want to make sure that you have unlimited access to this, then you want to upgrade to that Pro version there. The next one that they have is high ticket integration, so you can promote high ticket offers with this and make high ticket commissions. So you can add that in if you want. They also have this one is effortlessly 4-figure. Oh, this is the turnkey profit sequence. So this actually is like an autoresponder sequence, like a proven sequence to put people in. If you want to like get people to and be able to sell them on autopilot, you can pick this up. The next one here is traffic. So they have a way of you getting traffic to your offers. So if you want to pick up unlimited traffic, then pick this up here. I know this is a really popular one of theirs. And then the last one is reseller. So if you want to be able to resell this and keep all the money, like you bought this, and you're excited about buying this, so think about other people as well. Like if you bought it, you could sell this to other people and you could keep all the money. And I believe you get all the money in the funnel as well. So you can make decent money from this. So yeah, that's the OTOs. Okay, so what do I think about 5-minute profit pages? If I had to say something negative about it, it's a bit hypey. It's a marketing offer. They're very, very good marketers when it comes to this. Are you going to be making $300 commissions every single day? No. This is it's a software that creates bridge pages for you, and it gets you approved for affiliate offers, and it allows you to post on social media. It's just you need to know that. You need to know about that with all these offers coming out, that we need to be realistic with these things. What do I like about this? I think it's a fantastic tool for anyone that's just getting started, someone that's been trying to do affiliate marketing but keeps getting rejected, someone that is looking for a way of easily posting links and easily getting approved and wants to get their feet wet with some affiliate marketing here. I think this is a great entry point. Brendan is an excellent affiliate marketer. He is winning leaderboards all the time. He knows what he's talking about. You should definitely pay attention to what he's doing. And if you're interested in being able to create these pages super simply without having to pay for a domain name or hosting, then check this out. And of course, don't forget, if you pick this up through my link, you're going to get all of my bonuses that are listed on my bonus page. So just make sure that after you purchase through my link, you're going to see an access link right inside of Warrior Plus, where you can access all my bonuses as a special thank you from me. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. Remember, if you like this video, click that like button below. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe and hit that notification button. And of course, if you want to check out this product, you can click the link right here or underneath the video, and you can go and check out that product. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.